In the metals quadrant, second consecutive day higher for copper. Copper's put in a respectable two-day performance after basically basing since the end of May, running along that sort of lower level of about 263 on the COMEX copper contract. Then we've sort of based up over the last couple of days and rallied from that, getting as high as 272. That's 2702 today, settling more around 2.669. Again, that two-day rally was on low volume, but again, when you look at it after the basing that it's had, it could be an impetus for moves further higher. And those moves further higher could be driven by the announcement we got today on Chinese infrastructure. Officials in Beijing said they would allocate infrastructure resources to infrastructure projects sooner than otherwise reported, based off of course, the slowing economic data we're getting out of China, which could potentially based off of the trade war and the tariffs and some of the businesses that are slowly starting to leave China. Some of the imports and exports that were done ahead of the tariffs, now with the anticipation of more tariffs, could be slowing China's economy even further. And if those infrastructure projects get green lighted and funded, that could put some increase to the demand side of copper, potentially pushing us up toward that 280 level again. That's been a long time since we've seen in that copper futures contract. Also, inverse relationship between copper and the dollar, really all commodities and the dollar, all else equal. The dollar fell today, resuming its slide. We're now down 5 of the last 6 sessions in the dollar in 3 weeks in a row, especially since the talk has been more of a Fed rate cut rather than the rate hikes that we saw last year. And you're seeing that again, not only in the volatility of the dollar, but in the price direction, as well as the probabilities at the CME Fed Watch tool as the rate cut probabilities continue to rise off a little bit today, with the flattening of the yield curve going from negative 29 basis points 2 days ago to negative 11 basis points this morning. That is an improvement, but the dollar still slightly weaker on the day, helping to put a little bit more of a bid to copper than we may have otherwise seen.